workshop coffee class.
The coffee bean, they're just chilling as they survive, as they keep going. But on the stick, this is the Arabica bean, but with the light roasted level. So you guys can smell some for me. Coffee pot this morning.
Cafe enthusiast na kami ni Kay Mamaya.
Yes.
Thank you.
This one, the black coffee together. Wait a second. For you?
That's good enough.
It's good enough, or less sweet, or you more sweet. I can adjust the.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. How about you? Good. This one sharp. And right now, and believe me, yeah, take this one. Okay, stop.
Strong. Too strong.
Okay. Coconut chips.
Ooh.
Dehydrated. You can know the difference between the Robusta bean and Arabica bean. And right now, you're in the know, so you need to try something signature.
Huwag lang tayo magtagal kumain para makapagputan.
Hello, mga coffee buddies.
Kanina ba? Pwede ba yung gumala na tayo na lang? Pwede ba yun, Lord? For the last day.
Last day.
Dapat parang wala ako. Karin na naman yung
Temple of Literature.
Naisip ko lang bilhin ng camera. Pang video. Pero parang bagong phone na lang siguro. Kasi at least pag phone,
32.
may 20. Ito lang naman sila.
Pagod na kami maglakad.
Pagod na kaming mabigo.
Oo, pero okay lang. Thank you pa rin, Lord, kasi hindi umulan. Pinapagala mo pa rin kami. Close nga lang. Yun na, oh. May naglalaro. Inuubos na naman yung mga free taste. Tignan niyo, oh.
These are really many pieces by the box. You can choose the box and then you can customize the box with the pieces here.
Oh, okay. How much one box?
You can see the price here.
Naglilihi kayo, Bi? Ate, salamat.
Like this one?
Ano gusto mo?
It's okay, ate.
Yeah, see you like this one.
So, mabuhay.
Welcome to family Mura lang.
Mura lang.
And tawag.
Oh, Philippines!
Popular for Philippines.
Ah, you're popular for Philippines.
I don't know, super more people.
So, for mura? Yeah. Mura lang. Bye-bye. Miss na kami, guys. Bye-bye na kayo. Bye, Ange! We're leaving. Wait na kami. Bye! Sabi ng tatay ko, hindi muna daw ako uwi ng summer. Muna daw ako sa bawi-bawi daw sa Pilipinas. Yaten ka. Ako kasi una na gumawas sa era. Merak maramahin sera. Dito na mga kupal. Hi, me and my friends. Mauli na sa Cebu. Manila. Cebu. Ano? Vietnam, Manila. Manila, out. Vietnam, Manila. Manila, Cebu. So tired. Abot na ako Cebu. Uli na ang kalbayog. With the dampon. Kapagal. Actually guys, di ba mabuta kagabi mga alas 12 dito sa balay. Mga 1 anda agad sana. May kinaturog laak. Tapos yan na, time check. 4:15 na. May kinaturog lang talaga bugos adlaw. Alas 3 na sang kulop nagmata. Basta bugos adlaw lang na kinaturog. Okay guys.